struggle with the annoying little baby hairs at the back of your neck like this, I like to call it my baby mullet. If you struggle with that, then this is the video for you. I'm going to show you a quick and easy little trick that you can do to get those baby hairs up off your neck when you're putting your hair up in some sort of bun or up style.
I'm going to start by sectioning out the bottom of my hair. So for me, I basically start at the tops of my ears and I just go all the way around till my fingers meet. I get a nice clean section that way, and then I just clip all of that hair up out of the way. You can see there, I'm just checking to make sure my section feels even. If you're not good at feeling how your hair is, then I do suggest checking in a mirror. And then I'm just going to clip that hair up and out of the way. For the bottom hair, I'm going to separate it into two. You could do one section. I'm doing two because I'm going to do a little space bun style, but if you're doing a single bun, you could do one braid. Two, though, is going to be more successful at getting baby hairs. I'm going to pull that section up and I'm going to braid it. The reason you want to pull it up is because these braids are going to go up. If you braid it down, when you flip it up, you're going to get a little bit of a bump, which is also fine. But if you want a smooth finish at the nape of your neck, you want to pull it up. And then I just braid like normal. Now you will see I actually did miss a couple baby hairs here at the bottom, but again, I didn't check it with a mirror, and I do suggest you check it with a mirror to avoid doing this, but I'm all for imperfection, so I went ahead and uploaded this video anyways. I felt no reason to redo it because, again, I actually don't mind if a couple of my baby hairs fall down. Not a big deal. You can see I also secured the end of the braids with bobby pins. I feel no need to tie these off with a hair tie and potentially suffer damage because they're going to get scooped up into my little messy buns anyways. So the bobby pins are just a temporary way of holding the hair damage-free instead of adding a hair tie that may damage my hair. Then I'm just going to gather the top section of my hair into a ponytail, move all the other hair out of the way, grab my little braid, add it to my hand where I'm holding the ponytail, make sure the braid is facing the right way so it lays flat. I pull out the bobby pin, I add a bun with my hair tie. Any way that you want to do a bun is fine. I did do my flip and twist method here, but you don't have to do that one. And then I just fluff and pull, and then I do the same thing on the other side, just pulling my braid up with my ponytail, getting rid of that bobby pin. You can see the back is a little messy here, but I'm all for imperfection, like I said, and I think it's fine. I think it looks good enough. If you want a perfect look at the back, definitely be checking every step of the way in a mirror or in your camera, but I don't mind the way it looks, and I don't think it's that obvious. And honestly, I don't think anybody else really notices, but it's a great way to get those hairs up off your neck.
I hope that helps. I hope that gives you an idea of how you can get those baby hairs to stay up off your neck. One more step you can add. Once you're happy with the way it looks, you could also add a bit of wax stick just up on the ends just to make sure that everything stays where you put it. Finish it off with a bit of hairspray because those baby hairs are relentless and they are going to try and come back out. You can also just embrace those baby hairs, which honestly is what I do 99.9% of the time. I usually just let them fall out, and that's why I typically go for softer or more messy looks because my hair is very soft and I do have a lot of baby hair that is inevitably going to fall out. And instead of being frustrated with my super sleek style falling apart, I just start off with a slightly messier style that really doesn't look any different if it does fall apart a little bit. I always advise working within your abilities and working with what you have and what your hair is capable of. You're going to be a lot less frustrated that way. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let me know what other tips or tricks you need to see in the comments below, or just say hey, because I love to hear from you guys. Like and subscribe because it really helps me out. And thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you next time.